Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. I am getting loads and loads of laundry done today. So if you need some motivation to get stuff done around your house, come join me and let's get it done.
Thank you guys so much for being here today. I was so encouraged to make this video for y'all in hopes that it would help encourage you just as much as it encourages me. I kind of have to giggle to myself because literally all of these videos I am doing more for myself, but in that I hope that you're finding encouragement too. So I hope you never get tired of it, but honestly I am just so unmotivated on my own that really the only way I can do daunting tasks is to make YouTube videos about it. So I hope that's okay, and I hope you guys find encouragement with it. If you're new here, my name is Mary Lou. I make motherhood lifestyle content, and I am obviously a homemaker on the struggle bus, and I've literally, that's me. I'm trying each and every day to be a better person, to, build better habits, and day by day, just, get to doing life better and this whole adulting thing a little bit better than the day before. That's the kind of content I make. I have 3 small children, so I'm trying to, be better in all of that and trying to take care of my small children. If you like that kind of content, please consider subscribing. I'm so glad you're here. Like this video, and we're just gonna get right into it. I'm doing some loads of laundry. We had such a busy July 4th weekend, and in the days leading up to that we had family in town and several different functions to go to, and I just got super behind. Honestly, I never got caught up from when we went out of town on a little mini vacation, and I just was super unmotivated with the laundry, and I kept staying behind and would just keep caught up enough to where we had clean clothes that we could wear. But having family in town, the July 4th, I got so behind, and I just have quite a few loads to do. If it's kid stuff or my stuff, I like to hang dry items, so I hang dry a lot of my clothes. I try not to use the dryer only if it's something like I don't care about, or like towels or the kids' pajamas. Other than that, I try to hang dry clothes. I feel like it helps them last longer and stay looking nicer longer. So you'll kind of see me doing a lot of air drying in clothes, but that's how we led up here to this video. The laundry apocalypse was just family in town, lots of stuff going on, just your typical busy July 4th. And everything, the clothes started overtaking me, and I felt like they were taking a life of their own and kind of like coming after me, especially in my sleep. I was like seeing dirty clothes walking towards me, and kind of a type, like it, they were zombies, like the thumbnail. So today I am just like, I'm gonna make a video about it. It's gonna allow me to get this done, because otherwise I'm not real sure I would have any motivation to get it done. So I really do appreciate everyone watching. You have no idea how much encouragement it is giving me. So I'm just sitting down, I'm making myself do it. I'm not only washing the clothes, but I'm folding them. I'm going to put them away, and at the very end we are going to get this room right here nice and spotless. So thanks again for joining me. I'm so glad you're here. Tell you that I have some sort of way that I'm organizing things and I'm doing things, but honestly my approach to laundry today is just to get it done. I am now that I'm feeling overwhelmed, my brain is really scattered. I'm having trouble getting myself organized and prioritizing. So that was my main goal of this laundry today, was just to get it done however I needed to get it done. So some of the things I do may seem a bit inefficient, and that's why, because my brain is all scattered and I'm just having trouble figuring out what to do first, what to do next. So when my brain is that way, and I need to get something done, I'm like, oh well, just get it done or don't do it. And not doing it was not an option for me. So just getting it done however I wanted to go about it, as long as it got done, that was kind of my mindset and approach today. I am working on a decluttering series, and I will pick that back up with my next video, but my goal is to declutter 1,000 items, so it's kind of titling it like 1,000 item declutter challenge, and I am up to currently 500 items that I have decluttered. So in my next video I am gonna declutter at least 100 more items. So that is something for you guys to look forward to, and if you like that kind of content, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications, and that way when I post my next video, which will be a declutter video, you will be notified of that. These clothes are my husband's clothes, so as I fold them, I'm going to put them away in the area of his closet. And when I put them away, I'm going to take a minute just to kind of straighten up this area. I recently did a closet declutter and organization of his side of the closet, and he's done a really good job at keeping that up and maintaining it. So when I put these clothes away, I'm just gonna kind of tidy and straighten up just a little bit, but for the most part, he's done a really great job at keeping it nice and tidy. I was pleasantly surprised that after I got done doing all this laundry, it really only took me a couple of hours. And so it's just, again, something that I need to remind myself that I just need to sit down and do what I am trying to accomplish to do, and with the thought in mind that if I just sit down and do it, that it's not really going to take as long as, I'm thinking in my mind. And so just let that be an encouragement to you as well, that whatever it is that you need to do, just get started and have that goal of finishing, and it not having to be perfect, but that you're just going to get it done and you're going to do your best. And really, that's all anybody can ask for. Okay, I thought while I was doing laundry, I would look up some Google statistics about laundry. So these are from, I just took google.com and I searched laundry statistics, and here's what the AI overview says. The average household does about 8 to 10 loads of laundry per week. To me, that makes sense, because I've heard some homemaking content creators say if you will just do 1 load of laundry a day from start to finish, so from washing to drying to folding and putting away, if you just do it once a day, then you will stay on top of your laundry. So that makes sense. Next, Google says the average weekly time that we spend doing laundry is about 4.5 hours. And it says women. Some studies suggest women average 17 minutes per day on laundry. Wow, that's not a lot. Okay, it says men. Some studies suggest men average 4 minutes per day on laundry. I would suggest to say those 4 minutes might be picking out their clothes from the laundry to wear. Loads per year. The average family does around 400 loads of laundry per year. And the time per load, a typical load of laundry takes about 1 hour and 20 minutes from start to finish. So anyways, I thought that was very interesting. Just a few statistics as we are tackling our laundry right now. Start seeing me put away clothes like either that are on hangers, and those are ones that have been line dried and they need to be hung up. And I wanted to kind of tell y'all everything that I use to air dry clothes. So as you can see, I have this collapsible rack that holds most of it, and that is actually meant to air dry clothing. But I also use like my treadmill, and I have an exercise bike that I also use. I will also hang stuff on the hanger and take it next door to the guest bathroom and hang that on the shower curtain. So I use all different kinds, and I mean, really honestly, if I can find a surface that is hard and not absorbable to water or things, I will lay it on like a countertop or anything like that. I will lay the clothing if I need extra space to do that. But so I use a lot of different things because I like to air dry as much as I can. So I thought that would be interesting, something I could share. up the stuff that is dry on this collapsible air drying rack. There are some things that are new and have not had time to dry, so I'm just going to move those to the top, and I'm not going to fold those. I'm going to leave those there a little longer. So that is what I'm doing with those. I am going to finish up this room now that the floor is clean. I am going to vacuum. I'm going to start off by using the attachment. It's kind of a straight piece, and because if I try to use the piece with the roll brush, which I end up having to do in a minute because it just is taking way too long and I'm not for sure getting everything. For whatever reason, this rug attracts every single piece of hair, long hair, which I guess would be like either me or my daughter, and they just seem to be everywhere. And so I think that maybe factors in because it's like a shag rug, and the fact I guess the hair comes off of our clothing that I dump there. And so anyways, here, that's my little girl. She's being silly, but so I do end up having to use the roll brush attachment, and woo, that is hard. My husband comes to offer me help, but I tell him I'm only going to be a minute or two trying to do this, just to kind of get some nice pretty lines in it and vacuum up what I can. And that's what I'm going to do there, and that will finish out this video. I am so glad that you guys joined me. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm so happy you are here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.